Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuris Gabrieliono and my major is Islamic Economics.
Turn together, I make reputation, not just for my talk.
As we know, before the existence of medicines like now, ancient people as traditional medicines made from species that were around them. Not infrequently, today's people still as traditional medicine, especially people who live in rural area. And now I will explain and also give tutorials on making traditional medicine. This time, I will ask salads to make traditional medicine. Salads can relieve heat in a child's body. Way to make it is first mixing the salads with oil. The first way to reduce a child's head with salads is to mix them with oil and then apply directly to the child's body. Why salads can relieve head in children? According to U.S. National Library of Medicine, the ability of salads to relieve fever in children is because it contains algonosulfurs, which are generally in the allium family. This compound is also known to have antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. So, fever that occur due to bacteria, virus, and fungi can subside if children are given salads. In addition, salads are also natural ingredients that contain lots of nutrients that are good for the body. In salads, there are nutrients ranging for fiber, calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, calcium, zinc, and folate. All of these nutrients will then help boost the child immune system. I would like to thank you for your time and your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.